Another hot day in the Florida market. I've seen this P go by. I wish I'd have got a video of that dang thing, but I just wanted to get this old shaker here. My boy Floyd. This thing is nice. Love that front end. That's real nice, man. I think he came out of PA with this thing. Yeah, Pennsylvania, yeah. This thing it's nice. Nice setup. Stacks on it. Sound like you got that Detroit in there. With the fenders. It's real smooth, man. This truck is definitely a pure example of you don't always have to be long to look good. You just have to set it up just right. Because imagine this truck, for me, with a 48-foot spread behind it. Ah, man. With the matching rails, top and bottom on it. Man, this truck will look good as all could be with that. Hey, see how you don't have like no panel lights or nothing? Like it just, you don't have to go crazy to look good, man. It's simple. Simple is real good. I really like it. I'm dirty again. I actually was gonna wash it today, but it's supposed to be rain all dang weekend. Look at this W9 too, though. This W9 with the 54 probably. It's a big ass spread actually behind it. I couldn't tell. Oh, yeah, that's a 54. Yep, that's a 54. Yeah, that bad boy's clean too. So I'm about to get in that door right there. Let's do it. Well, it's been a fun one. You know, trucking is really likes to test you. I went to bed last night, everything fine. Wake up this morning and I got Christmas lights. I gotta take this steering wheel off and flip it around. I don't like this. I don't know why they had it like this. Look at that. Dashes and everything was working just fine, all the gauges. And all I did was go to sleep, off, woke up. We got Christmas, we got like strobe lights, like a club or something. So I'm gonna do some research online and see what would cause something like that. The only thing I can think of is it rained like crazy yesterday. I mean, pouring rain yesterday. So the only thing I can think of is something must have got wet. But I mean, nothing's wet inside the truck. So we're gonna do some research and see what is a common issue for these Peets. If there's a fuse I can pull, or maybe I have to take the batteries, unhook the batteries for a second to let it reset. I don't know. I'm gonna try and see if I can figure out why it did that. Like literally, the truck's been off all night. Went around, did my checks this morning, checked the oil, closed the hood, boom. So we'll see. That beautiful Florida scenery. So this is the farm area. It's beautiful down here, especially in the morning time. Nighttime, not so fun. A lot of bugs. It's not crazy when I say a lot of bugs, but it's a lot more bugs than normal Florida. Like, I shouldn't even say normal Florida, in the city. Crazy, this farm I'm about to go to, it's like I'm about to turn right and then you go like 5 miles down this little back road. You can sit right here. I like that. It's a dash. further inspection, I found that Peterbilt put a little speaker box in here. Oh, shucky. Some little things, you probably can't even hear them up front.
Like, making sure nothing's up against it, make sure there's no holes in them. There's no holes in them. They are loose. It'd be fun to get these working just for the hell of it, just to hear what they can do. I'm trying to find all the wires. Oh yeah.
We're gonna mess with that. This don't look good at all. This looks real bad. You got all these DOT cars. This is the second accident I ran into on this road today. And I've only been on it for like 10 minutes. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 DOT cars. You got all those cars banged up back there in the corner. I don't know what happened, but I don't think people made it. There's this many cop cars, and then obviously with this many DOT cars, yeah, it was a truck involved. That sucks, man. This is crazy.